President G. Vidya Reddy Garu, my colleague T. Srinivas Reddy, Principal, BBIT, Head of the Department of both CBIT and BBIT, teaching and non-teaching faculty member, press and media, and my dear students, good morning, one and all. I heartily welcome to you all to the National Level Technical Symposium, Summit 2K13. First of all, I must congratulate our CBIT and VBIT students are conducting such a huge student symposium. Any job with a feeling about where we are and a position attitude about where we want to be. So, success is neither magical nor mysterious. It is a consequence of consistency of work. I congratulate my students of CBIT, VBIT with the support of teaching and non-teaching staff member to organize such a program. My hearty welcome to all the participants from the different colleges, all the way from different colleges to come and participate in our college. Thank you so much. And I welcome the judges for paper presentation, poster presentation, technical quiz and other events to be organized by us in our college premises today. You must know about our college history. It's all started as a dream to set up the best institution by our secretary and correspondent Sri V. Jayachandra Reddy Garu and his team members, especially President G. Vidya Reddy Garu and Vice President Reddy Kumar Garu, Treasurer Upendra Babu Garu and Executive Member Sri Bhaskar Reddy Garu, who has envisioned the dream to establish the first class education which more than guide the students for the future generations with enlightened minds. I would like to extend my gratitude and thanks to all the role players who made it possible for the dream to become their reality. We have two institutions, namely Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology and Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology. I started in the year 2008 and 2009 simultaneously, the consecutive year. We have the total strength almost 1100 in our campus per year. We have post-graduation program MTech Electrical Power System, MTech ECE, and BTech programs ECE, Electrical, Mechanical, Civil and Computer Science, in addition with Master Program of Business Administration and Computer Applications. Our vision of the management to impart futuristic technical education and instill high platform of discipline. We have well-experienced staff members who serve the dedication to the students of CBIT and VBIT, and we are committed in creating and disseminating the knowledge to the students all over Andhra Pradesh, including those from local and also the rural area. We have conducted till now various programs like awareness programs on web counseling, personality development program, Vedic mathematics, 5K run, Kakadala rally, Kunkumarchana, job fair, national level workshops, staff development programs, etc. with the eminent professors, resource persons, and regularly invited to deliver inspirational and motivational lecture to the staff and also the students. For all these things, we should think big, dream big, achieve big. As you know very well about the chess, the pawn in the chess, if we used, it will become a queen. So in this connection, the ex-president Sri APJ Abdul Kalam also said, small aim is a crime, and we also accept it. God has given eyes to dream, so start dreaming and achieving it. Extraordinary people are ordinary people who did everything with extraordinary passion. In anything and everything, given that extra, and thus live an extraordinary life. As you know very well about the success is not easily to achieve by us. So success is simply matter of affirming positive expectation and moving forward. Success comes when you do things right, when you learn how to make the best of your used time and how to deal with the people. At last, all my young students, you should strive and excel in all works of your life with a success, which is not a destination but a journey, and it is direction in which you are traveling with a positive attitudes. As you know very well about the future of country depends on youth only. The youth needs energy that to be channelized in a right direction in order to explore their hidden potential and put them for a better use. I remind you on this occasion of Swami Vivekananda, all powers is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you. And finally, my special thanks to our secretary and correspondent and members of the Bharati Educational Society for accepting our request and make this program in a great success. And I wish all the participants who are all the way come from the different colleges for your paper presentation, poster presentation, and whatever it may be. But I hope that this program is to make you all the students in a single group to know the latest technology and to bring the hidden talents from the students through the paper presentation or poster presentation or technical quiz or job or project presentation. This Summit 2K13 is an understanding of the force that shapes a domain of technology where we can anticipate changes. It is not a clinch where the things are changing rapidly. It is an approach with focuses on new way of innovation and adoption, which also leverages technology. In this preview, the Summit 2K13 matches ahead of the curve. Once again, all the best to all of you. Thank you so much and have a great day.